It looks like Shiba Inu just got a huge promotion here, and good things have been happening. Also, today we're going to discuss about what happened here with China and crypto. Because of this, Shiba Inu is seriously affected. So here we are in CoinMarketCap. Let's check out what's been happening to this coin for the last couple of hours or last couple of days. As you can see here, the market cap right now for this coin is $3.4 billion, so 5% up in the end. The volume in the last 24 hours is basically $380 million. We did have a lot more volume before. We had, I think, 1 billion volume, so we're going to need that volume to go back where it was if we want this coin to continue to go up and be a huge coin. Now, 85,000 more watches than before. Like I said, super close to that 1 million number here. Super cool to see. But in the end, got all these exchanges. If you do want to buy the coin, super cool even to see. Like I said, as you can see here, most people are buying on L Bank and on Binance, which is pretty interesting why people are buying on L Bank here. So I want to talk about the chart here. So this is actually Leash. First, I want to talk about Shiba Inu. As you can see here, we really have a little pump here. So why do we have this pump here? Basically, if we do go to actually Bitcoin here, this is the reason for the pump, because Bitcoin did have a nice little pump here. So how much do we go up if we do measure this from here to here for Bitcoin? It's about 2.5%, so 2.7. There you go. Pretty awesome to see, but can we continue to go even more up? I think another pump should be coming here pretty soon, like another step here, that if we do have another pump, we are going to reach probably this level. And if we have a stronger pump, they're going to reach all the way to here. Something like that should be able to happen to Bitcoin here. So if we do go up, basically we're going to reach all the way to this list, another 2% or maybe even another 4% here. So that's going to be amazing. Can we do that? We're going to see. If I do go, if you look at right now, basically the volume here, it's pretty much fighting. If we go, let's go to the 50-minute chart. Let's see, it's turning into the buying volume. There you go. So people are gonna buy here this level here because of the RSI. So the RSI, they go down now, and now people are ready to buy the coin again. So there you go. Maybe, like I said, we are going to see another pump here because we need the pump and stabilization. So more pumping, stabilization. So hopefully, like I said, we do reach this level or even this level here. So 4 to 5% increase for Shiba Inu also is going to happen if Bitcoin here does go up. Of course, there's a chance that it could go down also, but this is a scenario where we do say that the coin will go up. So if Shiba Inu goes up, probably what's going to happen here, so let's measure 5% from here to here. 5% should be right over here. This is the level where we could be able to pump once more and it'll reach, just reach this level, then stabilization. Hopefully we do. And what's a really good indicator that good things should be happening right now is this cross here. This is a bullish cross. It should mean that the value of the coin should be able to continue up here. So, because look at here, at the 1 hour chart, we're not seeing too many crosses. I don't believe we're going to just have another cross here in a second, because you just see here that we're not having too many crosses sometimes. So this is one cross here, another cross here, so another cross here. So it can't be too close to each other. So what I'm seeing here is that it should be able to continue to go up here a little bit more. So, like I said, the bullish cross plus the RSI. The biggest problem right now that I'm seeing is our RSI. I want to reset the chart. But yeah, the biggest problem I'm seeing right now is the RSI, because the RSI, as you can see, it's pretty much still up too much here. If we did go down a little bit more with the RSI, it would be pretty good. But because we are this high, it's going to be kind of a problem. Because like I said, that it should mean that we are going to increase, but by only like 5% because of the RSI. But if something good happens to crypto, of course, we could be able to go up even more than that. So there you go. Good things could happen to all of these coins. If you go here to Leash, I want to check out Leash. So Leash has been doing some weird things. Leash is the weirdest coin ever. So we'd have a nice pump, a giant pump here. I think 100% increase for Leash here. Yeah, a little bit more than 100%, 107%. There you go. But after that, we did have a lot of stabilization, and I did make this giant triangle. And ever since then, we did break to the top side of this triangle. And as you can see, we were kind of slowly continuing to go up, which is pretty interesting. But we got super rejected right over here, this area. So we are still stabilizing. Leash is still doing okay. Not too many volume, not too many buying power. But I think, like I said, when shibaswap does release, we're going to see another massive pump for this coin here. Well, for both of the coins actually, because I think a lot of people will buy both of the coins so they can get more bone here. They want to stake the coin so they can get more bone. So that's pretty interesting. but we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Hopefully Bitcoin does continue to go up, because if it does, it's going to be amazing, because like I said, we still don't know what's gonna happen here to Bitcoin. Will it go down all the way to 20k, or are we just going to stabilize here for the next like couple of months here until like winter hits, and then more people start investing at that time, and then we go back to all-time high, maybe reaching like $100,000 per Bitcoin. That's what a lot of traders want to happen to Bitcoin, that basically we do reach that 100k per Bitcoin. That would be pretty awesome. And if that happens, then all the coins are going to increase by so much more, like so much more. An insane amount of increase should be happening to all the coins. But we're gonna see here what's gonna happen. Hopefully it does, and hopefully we do continue to go up with the whole crypto space. But in the end, patience, guys. For now, a lot of patience happening. I know Shiba Inu has still a long way to go to its all-time high, but like I said, you have to remember what happened. You have to remember that crypto has been falling, the Bitcoin has been falling, and that was the biggest problem. Let's continue. We got so much more updates for this coin. If you go here to their Twitter, we can see that basically, look at this. So we got a race here. So Investor Voyage did partner up with this person, and now look at this. In this race, we have our logo. We have our logo here. We have the Shiba Inu right at the front. It's a huge sticker here showing that they are for the coin, that they want this coin to be able to go up and explode in price. Super cool to see here that this is happening, and I'm super excited for the future of Shiba Inu here. And everybody's talking about this. It says here, have you seen what the USA is searching? So coming in the top 3 are SHIB, BTC, and Ethereum. So we also got Seifu, Matic, and Doge on the list. So basically, #1 most search coin is Shiba Inu here. So people are super interested in Shiba Inu, and this is why this is so great to see. Finally, good things are happening here to this coin. We should be able to go up and explode pretty soon here with the release of shibaswap. Also, I'm gonna show you guys here. Cat did do have an interview, actually a live interview. It says here, catch our Discord community manager Shiba Token Cat answering a few questions on Bazinga live stream shortly. There you go. So Cat is live in just over 5 minutes. You can watch it here. So Cat is one of the main mods here on our Discord server, and he basically did an interview here, a live interview, so do check it out. So it is a pretty long one, so do check it out, everything he talked about for Shiba Inu here. Pretty interesting, it was pretty amazing. But yeah, do check it out. Here is the link on their Twitter. So awesome to see, just good things happening here. I want to talk about this also. It says here, we need to win this pool, come on SHIB army. So go on this link, guys, and go vote for SHIB, because it says here, what should be the first Ether token that we list on Watcher Guru. So we need more exchanges, guys. Let's just add every single exchange. Let this coin just explode. Let this coin be noticed by every single exchange. Let this coin be listed by every single exchange. So let's vote here. Let's win. Feg right now is winning, but in the end, I think SHIB here will win, because SHIB has the most powerful army here for crypto. So the biggest army, the biggest crypto army. But yeah, let's go. Let's continue. Oh no, it says here SHIB is 51, Feg is 43. So it looks like SHIB now is winning. So there you go. We're already winning. We're already winning, because that's the power of the SHIB army. I want to talk about this for a second, saying having patience is the way to succeed. So you wouldn't plant a seed and then dig it up every 5 minutes to see if it has grown. So why do you keep questioning yourself, your hard work, and your decisions? Have patience, stop overthinking, and keep watering your seed. Basically, what this person is telling you, you shouldn't watch your wallet every single 5 minutes here. It's too just stressful. You guys have to just be patient and see what is happening. Just believe in this coin, because if you do believe in this community, then I think this community will reward you really bigly with this coin here. So hopefully a lot of good things will happen here to Shiba army, to Shiba Inu, and that we all together will gain a ton of profits. The China thing says here, China cracks down, forces crypto mining operations to end operations. So after Friday's crackdown, several firms said they are looking to move their businesses overseas, especially in North America. So cryptocurrency mining operations, including Hobby Mall and BTC Top, are suspending their China operations after Beijing stepped up its efforts to crack down on Bitcoin mining and trading, sending the digital currency tumbling. A state council committee led by Vice Premier Liu has announced the efforts late on Friday, the first time the council has targeted virtual currency mining, a big business in China that accounts for as much as 70% of the world's crypto supply. Now, this is the biggest problem because China is really cracking down on the miners here, on the Bitcoin miners. It's really slowing down the whole crypto space, and basically people are getting more scared that China is going to totally ban crypto here. So they are already having some bans here, but they still didn't totally ban crypto, and that's the biggest thing. So even if that happens, what's going to happen basically is that these guys here, these huge companies, are going to transfer their minings to other countries. So if we do continue here, it says a shift to overseas. Meanwhile, we're contacting overseas service providers to pave the way for efforts of mining rigs in the future. So Hobby Mall said via its official Telegram community and asked the clients not to worry and to calm down. So BTC Top, a crypto mining pool, also announced the suspension of its China businesses, citing regulatory risk. So the founder said in a microblog post via Boo that in the future BTC Top will mainly conduct crypto mining business in North America. In the long term, nearly all of Chinese crypto mining rigs will be sold overseas as Chinese regulators crack down on mining at home. So there you go. This is what happened like in 2017. So China has already lost its position as a global cryptocurrency trading center after Beijing banned crypto exchange in 2017. So that was the biggest, this is the biggest problem here, because all those minings will basically stop, and what needs to happen is we have to have a transfer. So what does this mean? We're going to see probably a drop here just because a lot of these companies, a lot of these mining companies are going to stop mining, and after that it's going to be a period where the whole crypto space is going to stabilize, pretty much go down and stabilize. But when those rigs do transfer to like North America, then we're going to see massive increase again. This is what I feel will happen here. It says here, eventually China will lose crypto computing power to forging markets as well. So China is going to lose here. And China right now is the biggest country that mines cryptocurrency. You have to remember that. So it's like the epicenter of crypto mining. So because people just wanted to invest in crypto a lot earlier than a lot of different countries here. They really did believe in the project, in crypto as a thing here. And the problem is like China is just a difficult country, so it's just not letting this go by. Yeah, because a lot of people are making a ton of profits here just because you can just see here the rigs. You just see massive amounts of rigs here, and this is not only one company. There's like one company that has investors, like everyday people who are buying mining rigs for them, and that's it. Like imagine I'm investing to buy a mining rig, and I'm not the one mining. They are the ones who are mining, but it's a lot cheaper, and I don't have to worry about electricity or anything, but they're going to mine for me. So there you go. A lot of things have been happening here to the crypto space, but like I said, hopefully in the end the crypto will win, Bitcoin will win, and that we all will continue to go up. Like all of us will be able to get a ton more profit than before. But in the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.